Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about Pythagorean theorem. So now I will show you how to answer. An airplane travels s equals to 4.50 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 kilometers due east and then travels an unknown distance y due north. Finally, it returns to its starting point by traveling a distance of r equals to 525 kilometers. How far did the airplane travel in the northerly direction? So now I will show you how to answer. First, an airplane travel due east, so they go in here. Then travels an unknown distance y due north, they go to north, they go in here. Later that, from this location, they go back to the starting point. So, if we look on this way, we can see that this is about a right triangle. And we know that they travels about 4.50 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. That's about 450 in here. And then they return back with the distance 525 in here. Now they want to find this one. So to calculate about the question mark, we can use about Pythagorean theorem. So we can use about this formula in here. So we have 450 to the power of 2 plus s to the power of 2, s that's about this one in here, equals to 525 square. Now we put this one go to the right. So we calculate about this one, and we have 73,125. And now we put the square root for the both sides, and we have 75 with the square root of number 13, and this is approximate about 270.42 kilometers. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.